All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the first video for July. And surprisingly, here on a Friday, going into a 3-day weekend, there is no trading next Monday. There was some stuff popping out of the opening gates. So I got 3 trades today. We're going to go through all the live footage in this video. Let's trade.
Hey guys, are you tired of using the same old stock market scanner and getting the same old results? Add some intensity to your trading with the Intensity Stock Watch Scanner. The intensity indicator is the only predictive price action indicator that alerts before significant reversals, allowing trade management with unprecedented timing and accuracy. Now with this exclusive link and code GDTISW, you can get 20 to 30% off every month on your subscription. It's time to finally get the results you've been looking for and intensify your trading with the Intensity Stock Watch Scanner.
All right, so first play today was right here out of the opening gates. You can see on the first minute on SQ. I'm watching it here as it hits on the scanner up into the high teens, and I'm just watching it go here. So I was getting up into the 60s, 80s. Maybe I missed my spot right there. You can see a hit up to 20 right below me here on the positive intensity scanner. So I'm watching. I'm like, oh man, I might have missed this one, but we'll see. Maybe it'll give another push up towards 64, give me a chance to get in, and then we'll see if maybe it can go through 64 and give me the chance to get in a little bit bigger size on this one. So just watching SQ here and waiting to see what it does on the day. So it's kind of starting to come back up a little bit, and I'm watching it. I'm like, all right, is it going to give me a second chance here, or did I absolutely miss it? Well, here it comes. It's coming back up into the 60s now. Can it push up a little bit higher? Can it push up to the previous highs? 70s, 80s, 90s. Here it goes. I'm going to go ahead and click the button right here at 63.80. I get a 90 out of 100 fill partial there initially, but it is going to pop back up here and give me the extra 10 shares. So in 100 shares short here at 63.80, and I'm going to look for 64.40 if it wants to continue up. So about 60 cents higher here. Be looking for 64.40 on an ad, but it starts coming down pretty quickly. So it's already back down under 63.50, and I'm starting to think of where I want to take off half here. So I'm watching the level 2 here. I'm like, all right, cool. If it breaks through this 63.30, I'll probably look to take half my shares off. So you see a little bit of resistance here at 63.30. There it's under. I click the button, take half shares off there at 30, left with 50 shares. And now I'm going to watch for it down through 63. It actually makes a really quick flush here through 63. I missed it while I was fixing my chart zoom there. So I'm like, okay, no big deal. It's probably going to continue to come back down here. So just got to wait for my trade and wait for it to come to me. So starts coming back down a little bit, down to 60s, 70s. I click the button right there, get a fill at 62.74. And I'm all out here on SQ within the first 3 minutes for plus $78. And I will take that trade every single beginning of the trading day. Love it when they give me an opportunity like that. A little bit later on, I'm watching Tesla. You can see it's kind of hanging out here at the lows of the day, and I'm watching it here, and this isn't my normal type of trade, but I was watching the market look like it was starting to curl at this time, so I'm going to go ahead and get ready with a limit order here at 676, and then I'm going to switch over, and I start watching my SPY and Qs charts, and if I see any signs of them start to make a nice move to the upside, I'm then going to click the button and see if I can get long here at 676 or below before it makes that move. So I see the market start to make the move. I'm in here 676 and my stop, excuse me, it's just going to be low a day 674 here, a little bit different than I would normally trade, but I like the setup here. So I'm in at 676 and I'm just looking for a nice pop here. A little pop, not looking for much, and it does start popping immediately with the market. Comes up, I'm going to go ahead and put an order out just front running 680 a little bit here at 679.75, which would be almost 4 points in a minute, and it's going to come up and fill me here. So almost 4 points in 1 minute there on Tesla. Pretty, risk adverse trade here. Risking 2, made 4. I will take that over time. It's only 40 bucks, 37 bucks, but hey, I'll take it. Added a little bit to my day, up over $100 now. We'll see if we can find something else. We do find something else. It's PDD. PDD starts popping up here a little bit. It's getting up into the 15s or so on the scanner below me. I'm going to go ahead and start a short here at 63.96 as it pushed 64. And I'm going to look for probably 64.40 if it's going to give me an opportunity for an ad here. But the market was moving up pretty nicely at this point in the day. So I decided I wasn't going to be overly greedy or look for anything huge on this one. So I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put my target if it just wants to give me a little bit of a pullback here. And I'm going to go ahead and decide on 63.60. So just going to look for this thing to pull back to 63.60 if it can make that move, but still willing to add in if this thing wants to pop up 64.40 towards that 64.50. So now it's just a waiting game and seeing what PDD wants to do here. It actually start getting a little bit spready and choppy up and down. So I was like, well, I might just get a spread fill here at 60, or maybe it'll chop me out higher and give me a chance to add in a bit of here. I wasn't really sure what PDD was going to do at this point, and that's why I decided just to put the order out here at 63.60. The market's moving up, so just looking for a little bit of a pullback. So I'm watching the level 2, and it's coming back down into the 70s. Low 70s. Can it come down into the 60s? Get me a fill down there. Here's the low 70s. Can it get below 70? There's below 70. Just a second. Here it comes down below 70 again. We're at 69. Can it get down to 60? Can it get down to 60? 66, 66, sitting on 66, and then there's a little bit of a flush, a little bit of a choppiness there in the spread, and I get filled there at 63.60, and I'm all out for another $36 on the day. So 3 quick winners all done here within the first 15 minutes, and that's going to do it for me on the day. You know, I can't complain. None of them were really a huge trade. SQ, obviously, you know, more than double the other ones, but overall up $150 here on a Friday, going on to a 3-day weekend in the summer on the first day of July. I will take that every single time and not complain about it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Check out the links down in the description below for discounts on the scanner that you saw me using in this video to find these trades. 20 to 30% off every month of your subscription with the link below and code GDTISW. Have a great long weekend.